China, India's biggest trade partner and our biggest threat at the same time. How does that even work? India and China do $127 billion worth of trade every year. That's about 10 lakh crore rupees. And what we export to China? Iron ores, cotton and seafood. That's about $14 billion. And what India imports from China? Electronics, machinery and chemicals. These worth $113 billion. So the trade deficit, the amount India is losing to China every year is $99 billion. Nearly 8 lakh crore rupees every single year. But here's what nobody talks about. It's not just phones and laptops. India imports 90% of its specialty fertilizers from China. Chinese companies supply raw ingredients to make India's own medicine, antibiotics and pharmaceutical chemicals. And the lithium-ion batteries powering India's entire EV revolution are coming from China. So China is not just a trade partner. China is embedded into India's food, health and green energy future. Try cutting that off overnight and we will know the answer. Right now in 2025 to 2026, this relationship is at a turning point. After Galvan clash in 2020, India banned hundreds of Chinese apps and also blocked some FDIs. But the trade kept growing. Imports jumped 18.5% in just the first half of 2025. In January 2025, India's foreign secretary met China's foreign secretary in Beijing. The first high-level talks in years. Border tensions are frozen and the import dependency is increasing. Both things are true at the same time. That's India and China, the world's most two populated nations, sharing borders and sharing trade worth 10 lakh crore rupees and watching each other carefully. Next in Bharat Beyond Borders, we'll talk about India and US, the country that buys most from us and implies tariffs on us. Follow so you don't miss it. Jai Hind.